Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you resistance, resistivity and conductivity. First about resistance. Hindrance or obstruction offered by a material or conductor to the flow of current, to the flow of electricity is called resistance. Resistance of a material or resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the cross-section area of the conductor. Let us see mathematical representation. If R is resistance, then R is directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross-section. On combining these two are proportional to L by A, or we can write R equal to rho into L by A. Here rho is called specific resistance or resistivity. Specific resistance or resistivity. This specific resistance according to IUPAC system is called resistivity, and L by A is called cell constant. In case of cells, it is called cell constant. Now, this cell constant depends on the dimension of the cell. Now, unit of resistance is ohm. Unit of this resistance is ohm, and this proportionality constant is called specific resistance or resistivity. L by A is called cell constant. Do not forget. Now, next point. Once again, specific resistance. This is called specific resistance. Specific resistance or resistivity. Or according to IUPAC system, resistivity. Resistance of a conductor equal to specific resistance into L by A, cell constant. This specific resistance equal to resistance into A, area of cross section, divided by L. Now, resistance into resistance into area of cross section divided by length of the conductor is specific resistance or resistivity. Now, unit here unit of resistance is ohm. Area of cross section in CGS system is centimeter square by centimeter equal to ohm centimeter. Ohm centimeter is the unit in CGS system, and in SI system, unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. Then in CGS system, ohm centimeter, and in SI system, ohm meter. Now next is specific conductance. First I am going to tell you conductance, then specific conductance. Conductance of a material. Number 3. Conductance represented by C. The ease with which current or electricity flows through the conductor is called conductance of that material. It is reciprocal of resistance or it is inverse of resistance. Let us see. Conductance equal to reciprocal of resistance or inverse of resistance. Unit of conductance is 1 by ohm. Then we can write this per ohm. Per ohm, or we can write per ohm is called Simon. Simon, this is why SI unit of conductance is Simon. It is represented by the letter S. Then conductance unit is per ohm or Simon, we can write directly there. Next, number 4 is specific conductance. Specific conductance. Specific conductance is called conductivity according to IUPAC system. Specific conductance or specific conductivity according to IUPAC system is called conductivity. The reciprocal of specific resistance is called specific conductance or conductivity. Let us see. Then specific conductance or conductivity is represented by G equal to 1 by specific resistance or resistivity is called specific conductance. We can write this because this specific resistance is R into A by L. We can write this 1 by R into L by A. This is the specific conductance or conductivity. Here L by A is called cell constant. 1 by R equal to conductance. And L by A is called cell constant. Depends on the dimension of the cell. Now unit of this specific conductance is here this one per ohm per centimeter in CGS system. In CGS system the unit is per ohm per centimeter, and in SI system its unit is per ohm per meter in SI system. Now specific conductance or conductivity can also be defined in terms of electrolytic solution. Conductance of a solution placed between two electrodes separated apart by a distance of 1 centimeter, having cross-sectional area 1 square centimeter, is called conductivity of solution or specific conductance of solution. Or you can say in very short form, conductance of 1 cubic centimeter of a electrolytic solution is called its conductivity or specific conductance. This is about the specific conductance of solution. That's all for today. Thank you.